Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about the abbreviations of important protocols that are commonly asked in UGC NET examination. We already discussed some of the common abbreviations in past videos. So let's begin. ARP. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. Most important protocols of network layer in the OSI model, which helps in finding the MAC address, that is Media Access Control address. That is, the main duty of ARP is to convert the 32-bit IP address to 48-bit address. 48-bit address is MAC address. ARP is a communication protocol. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is a network management protocol that used to automate the process of configuring devices on IP network and thus allowing them to use the network services such as DNS and any communication protocol based on UDP or TCP. The DHCP is needed to simplify the management of IP addresses on networks. Not two hosts can have the same IP address, and configuring them manually will likely lead to errors. As the name suggests, DHCP is used to control the network configuration of a host through a remote server. DHCP is an excellent alternative to the time-consuming manual configuration of network settings on a host or a network device. DHCP works on a client-server model. Being a protocol, it has its own set of messages that are exchanged between client and server. DHCP helps in debugging many network-related problems. Next is File Transfer Protocol, that is FTP. This is the most common protocol. FTP is a standard internet protocol provided by TCP/IP that is used for transmitting the files from one host to another. As the name suggests, it is a standard for transferring files over the internet. This is the widely used network protocol. If we send files using FTP, files are either uploaded or downloaded to the FTP server. When we are uploading files, the files are transferred from a personal computer to the server. And when we are download files, the files are transferred from the server to our personal computer. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That is, the HTTP is the protocol used to transfer data over the web. This is a part of Internet Protocol Suite and defines commands and services used for transmitting web page data. HTTP uses a server client model. A client, for example, may be a home computer, laptop, or a mobile device. This is an application layer protocol for transmitting hypermedia documents such as HTML. That is, it was commonly designed for communication between web browsers and web servers. But it can also be used for other purposes also. IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. The Internet Protocol is a set of requirements for addressing and routing data on the Internet. Common Internet protocols include TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and FTP, File Transfer Protocol. This protocol is a set of rules that dictate how data should be delivered over the Internet. ICMP. ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. Internet Control Message Protocol is a network layer protocol used by the network devices to diagnose the network communication issues. This is mainly used to determine whether or not data is reaching its intended destination in a timely manner. The commonly used ICMP protocol is used on network devices such as routers. IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. This is an application layer protocol which is used to receive the image from the mail server. This is the most commonly used protocols like POP3 for retrieving the emails. This also follows the client-server model. IPconfig. IPconfig stands for Internet Protocol Configuration. This is a command line application which displays all the current TCP/IP network configuration and refreshes the DHCP and DNS. This also displays IP address, default gateway for all adapters, and subnet mask. This is available for Microsoft Windows, Apple, Mac OS, etc. LDAP. LDAP is Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. This is an open and cross-platform protocol used for directory services authentication. LDAP provides the communication language that applications use to communicate with other directory services. LDAP is an application protocol for querying and modifying directory services running over TCP/IP. These are the commonly asked protocol abbreviations. Hope you like this video. Thank you.